Yo, it is October 22nd. Look at this. Look at these okra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 okra on this, 9. And I'm still counting, I think, 9 okra on this plant, y'all. And I still have flowers. It's October. And guess what? I'm going to keep picking. I'm going to keep picking. And keep growing and keep watering. I do have some bugs on there that I'm about to get rid of. But I'm going to keep growing and keep watering until this plant says, I'm through. Okra in October, Zone 9 in Texas. What? What? I think we're going to have some fried okra tonight. Peace. Let's harvest. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 okra at one time. I don't know about y'all, but that's a win for me. Because the okra just really started producing. It was so hot out here in Texas. We just started getting, well, I just started getting okra. So y'all, I am excited. All right, until I see y'all guys in the next video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, share me with your family and your friends, leave a comment below, and until I see you guys in the next video, you know what it is. Okras and peace.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
All right, so y'all see my little harvest right here. I cut and cleaned all of the okra. I'm just putting it in a freezer bag right here, and I'm gonna put it in the freezer until it's time to enjoy. Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to hit that like button. Comment below if you're still growing okra. Let me know what city and state you are in, what zone you're in. And till the next time, y'all, I know I said it earlier in the video. Just trying to figure out a marker that works so I can label my okra. But until I see you guys in the next video, y'all, have a blessed day, a blessed week. Until I see you again, you know what it is. Peace.